Hello, welcome, guys. Welcome to our channel. We're a new channel on YouTube based on trading online, making money online. So today I'm going to start the video with saying that everything you see in this video is not financial advice. So this is only for entertainment purposes only. So everything you see in this video is just to teach you guys some stuff, and it's my own opinion. So no financial advice. So what we're going to talk about in this video is the difference between Ftmo and my Forex funds. So these two are prop firms. The traders that are watching this video know, I hope they know what prop firms are. Prop firms are firms that give you the opportunity to trade with big amounts of money, so larger amounts than they have. What you have to do is the following. I will explain. I will explain to you guys what these two prop firms are, what the challenges are, and how you obtain the bigger accounts for less money than you would actually trade with. So we have Ftmo and my Forex funds. So let's start with Ftmo. Ftmo, yeah, they have a 10% profit target in 30 days. So if you start a challenge with this prop firm, you pay for the challenge. There are different challenges, so the account sizes vary from 10K to 160K. This is in euros, so it varies, but the prices also vary. That's obvious. So if you start a 10K challenge, for example, you have to pay around 150 euros. And if you start the 160K challenge, you have to pay around 1,200 or yeah, I think it's 1,200 euros. So it's pretty expensive. On the other side, we have my Forex funds. They also have different challenges. The prizes for this company are much better, in my opinion, because they also have a different size of accounts. These accounts are in US dollar because it's a Canadian or American firm. So and the sizes go from 10K to 200K. This is in US dollars. So if you both put them in dollars or you both put them in euros, it's around the same for the account sizes, but my Forex funds is way cheaper. So if you start a 10K challenge with my Forex funds, it's around, I think it's around 80 euros first time, but they have a reset. So if you fail the first time, you can reset, and then you have to pay around 60 euros for the challenge to do it again. So this is something that Ftmo does not have. But now let's start with the challenges themselves, because you have Ftmo on the left side and my Forex fund on the right side. So if you pay for the challenge, let's say you pay for the 10K challenge. So what you have to do is you get 30 days to get 10% profit on this account. These 30 days is weekend included. So the guys that don't trade crypto, they only have 22 days. So you only have 22 trading days. It says 30, but it's 22. So keep that in mind. Ftmo, you have to get 10% profit into 30 days or 22 days. For my Forex funds, it's only 8%. So that's 2% less. That makes it yeah, quite easier. Not easy, because trading is not easy, of course, and 8 or 10% a month is not that easy. This is the hardest part of these challenges, obviously. If you complete this challenge, The second challenge is the verification challenge. This one is a lot easier, but mentally, it's the hardest part. Out of experience, I just noticed, because you think you have to make 5% for both of these firms in 60 days. That seems pretty easy. That's around 0 point something percent a day. So that looks like nothing, but mentally you want to complete this part as fast as possible, because you want to be a funded trader. And most of the traders over leverage on this part and lose their challenges. So both of these firms have a 5% profit target in 60 days. It's the same. It is not that hard, but mentally it's pretty hard. So max daily drawdowns. For FTMO, it's 5%. This is on your balance, so you can lose 5%. You can go over 5%. If you go over 5% daily drawdown, you lose your challenge, you lose the account. For my Forex funds, it's also 5%, but equity included. So what does that mean? If you have an open trade from the previous day, and this trade was, let's say, 200 euros in profit, if this trade is at 200 euros profit by 12 a.m. and you lose like 400 euros the next day, so the trade goes and hits break even, you didn't win the trade, this counts as minus 200 for your account, for your max daily drawdown. So keep that in mind. This is something that I stumbled over when I use my Forex funds. I didn't know it. I didn't read the rules very well. So keep that in mind. You could be in big profits. And if this is more than 5% and your trade turns around and goes to break even, although you didn't lose any money, you lost your account, because the equity rule, yeah, that's pretty, it's a pretty annoying rule, to be fair. It's something that no one keeps in mind, but it's very, very annoying. And this is also one of the biggest cons for this prop firm in my eyes. So the max total drawdown is 10% for FTMO. So you can lose 10% of your account before you lose the challenge. For my Forex funds, this is 12%. It's a bit more. So a bit a better, how do you call it? You have a little bit more margin on this one. So but keep in mind also the equity again, something that you have to keep in mind if you do my Forex funds. So what they both have. So you have a free retrial if you end in profit less than your 10%. What do I mean with this? Is if you do this challenge, okay, so you have to get the 10% profit in 30 days for Ftmo, and you end the month with, let's say, 6% profit. Okay, you did not meet the requirements, you did not meet the 10%, but you are still in profit. So what does Ftmo do? They give you a free retrial. Okay, so if you end in profit after the 30 days, you get a free retrial, and you can get as many as you want if you only end in profit. On the other hand, my Forex fund, you can get a free retrial, but you can also get an extension. So they can extend your days. So that means, like, if you have like 7% profit, but you need to get to 8%, they can extend your time to get that 1% extra. So you meet the requirements. That's something that's amazing about this firm. The profit splits. I know that Ftmo was 70-30. I heard that they upgraded to 80-20. So that means that, but let's use 70-30 for this example, because I'm not sure if they have upgraded to 80-20. What 70-30 means is that 70% of the profit you make on the account is for you. 30% goes to Ftmo. That's an amazing profit split. 80-20 is even better, but 70-30 is already an amazing profit split, and I think this is very good for these two prop firms. My Forex funds has an even better profit split. It starts with 75-25 for the trader, so 75% for the trader, 25 for my Forex funds. But if you end up in profit the first month, it will go to 80-20. If you then again end up in profit, it will even go to 85-15. It won't go up from there, but 85-15, that's one of the best that I've seen in of all the prop firms. So the biggest pros for Ftmo are account overview. So they have a really clean website where you can follow your account, you can follow your trades, you can see what your worst pairs are, the worst times to trade for you, how much profit you need to get, how much loss you have already got. So it's an amazing overview that you got on their website, and it makes it very easy to follow and to document your trades and everything. So a big thumbs up for this. And what they also have is a very fast support chat. So they help you within minutes. So they are very professional at this part. So I think it's maybe the best firm around for this part, because they will help you definitely the same day if you need the help. The biggest cons of this Propfirm is the 10% profit target. That's a bit high, because you've only got 22 days, and people over leverage a lot, because 10% is not something that's easy to obtain. And also the expensive challenges, because 1,200 euros for a 160K account is pretty much, if you compare it to other prop firms, it's quite a lot. So that's a con for me. So my Forex funds, biggest pros: cheap challenges. Definitely, the cheap challenges are amazing, because you can start, if you fail one, you can start, you can do the resets, and they make the resets even cheaper than the actual challenge. So that's something that's amazing about this prop firm. Also the amazing profit split. If you complete the challenges and you are a funded trader, after the third month you will get a profit split of 85-15. That's something I've never seen before from other firms. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. That's something that's amazing about this firm. The biggest cons, the slow support. Sometimes it takes days to get help, and it's freaking annoying for the trader. I needed help a couple of weeks ago, and it really took me almost 2 weeks to really get the help that I needed, to really get answers on my questions. So this is freaking annoying. Also, the equity rule, that was something I didn't know about. I didn't really read the rules, and I just didn't know what they meant with equity, because I'm not English not my actual language, so I did not really know what they meant with equity rule. So I've lost an account that was more than 15% up, just for this rule. So I didn't lose the 5% daily drawdown, but because of this, I've lost the max daily drawdown, and I've lost the account. So keep that in mind. Write it down for yourself. That's the reason I don't try to trade overnight, the equity rule will hit you sometimes. So keep that in mind. This is what I wanted to teach you guys about these two prop firms. Overall, I still think my Forex funds is better because it's cheaper, and end of the day we all want to do these challenges as cheap as possible, and it has also a better profit split. So in my opinion, my Forex funds is the better prop firm. But Ftmo is also very good if you want a clean overview of your account and really fast help with questions you have. I would suggest Ftmo. If you want the cheaper challenges and the better profit split, you definitely need to go to my Forex funds. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. It was the first on our channel. If you liked it, just comment something, comment what your favorite prop firm is, my Forex fund or Ftmo, and also comment if you're going to try one of these prop firms, and there will follow many more videos on this channel. We are going to do strategies, trading strategies. We are going to explain things that traders don't know, and we are going to teach you guys a lot of stuff for free, no courses, no strings attached. So definitely subscribe to this channel if you are a serious trader, and follow us everywhere.